let me take you through the significant events of the day outside Liaquat Bagh. Pakistan, Tehreek-e-Insaf, PTI, led by Imran Khan, had called for a protest. Initially, PTI had planned to hold the gathering at Liaquat Bagh, but the Punjab government denied the No Objection Certificate, NOC, for this location, proposing a site outside Rawalpindi near Rawat instead. Despite this, Imran Khan, from Attock jail, rejected the NOC, declaring that the protest would go ahead without government approval. Today, we witnessed Imran Khan, with 26 years of political experience, challenging and exposing the entire regime, even while imprisoned. Police forces had already been deployed around Liaquat Bagh by the previous night, shutting down nearby hotels and beginning to arrest protesters. One of the first to be taken into custody was Syed Ishan Haider from Kashmir, followed by several other activists. As morning broke, Islamabad and Rawalpindi were effectively locked down, with multiple containers blocking key points. In my years of reporting, I have never seen such a heavy blockade. Despite this, PTI supporters were unstoppable. They chanted Imran Khan Zindabad and gathered in numbers, reminding me of the scenes from when Imran Khan appeared at the judicial complex. As the day progressed, a convoy led by Ali Amin emerged from Peshawar, filled with determination. They reached the Attock Bridge, where they faced hours of police shelling and brutal resistance, yet remained steadfast. Despite the intense confrontations, PTI supporters advanced, forcing the police to retreat. At one point, frightened police officers took refuge inside a PSO petrol pump's washrooms, only to be discovered and forced out by the public. The struggle on the Attock Bridge was a testament to the resilience and courage of the PTI supporters.
अब बस हो गई है कोई गोली चलाएगा तो गोली खाएगा फिर देख लेंगे अल्लाह ने एक जिंदगी दी है उसके हाथ में है किसी की लिखी है वो फैसला उससे करना है आप सबका बहुत शुक्रिया